Welcome to Bella Nonna Design Studio. Today I'm here to introduce you to our second block of the month called Homegrown Veggies. Month 3 of the Homegrown Veggies is the beet. Here we have the background prepared and a sample of the beet. Okay, so with the background already prepared, we will put the beet on and we will add the bottom little shadow piece, colored piece. It fits right over the top, and the pattern piece shows you where to place it. It has a little guideline for you. And then these leaves are a little bit different. They stand up from the beet on their stems, and it's about 3/4 of an inch. So move it up just a smidge and we will measure it. It's close. Okay, we will press these down, fuse them to the background. We have them fused down. First of all, we're going to do the leaf outline, and I've traced the little line here. There's a line that comes in here to delineate the two different leaves, and I've used a nice decorative stitch to go around each leaf. Then with the same color that you're going to use for the beet, we're going to stitch the stems. Beets have their leaves have red stems. So I'm using a stem stitch. It's a 3 triple stem stitch, and I'm coming up here and then I'm stitching in these little veins on each one, and then I'm going back with the second stem stitch right along this edge here to give it a little bit more weight and show them off a little bit more. It fits the beet better to have a thicker stem. Then next I come down with my purple and I use my small little satin stitch to go around that, and I finish off with the beet stitched around from side to side. Touch the ends with a little bit of fray check and you're ready to go.